220 workflow execution per second. While your team pulls one report, ROIMax has already identified dozens of optimization opportunities. In world-class companies, 90% of campaigns are now AI built. Ask yourself, what's the percentage in your company? Meet ROIMax, 3 specialized AI agents working as one intelligence factory. Data Retrieval pulls live performance data. Analytics Pro spots optimization opportunities. The Report Builder delivers executive insights, all orchestrated on one n8n canvas. While competitors manually analyze, your AI team is already optimizing the next campaign. This is your competitive advantage. While others manage campaigns, you multiply marketing intelligence. Your campaigns don't just run, they evolve. Ready to multiply your marketing intelligence? Get your ROIMax demo today.